Hi, this is Eli from Tupac Bio, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use barcode elements to design for screening and short read sequencing. In the previous tutorial I showed you how to use variable elements to create variants of Herceptin. Now I'm going to generate another set of variants where each variant has its own DNA barcode, and I'm going to show you how easily you can do that in Tupac Biodesigner. So this design is very similar to the variable element tutorial, and all I'm going to do is add some barcode elements to each template. And in the first template, this is like the positive control, so there's no variable element in it. I'm just going to drag up a barcode element, and you'll see the variations box popped up. I'm just going to leave this at 1. If I change this to 10, then Biodesigner would generate 10 sequences from this template where only the DNA barcode will be changing. So all 10 sequences would be the same except for the DNA barcode. I'm going to go to template 2 and I'm going to drag the barcode element up again. And I'm not going to change the number of variations. We already set that. I'm going to do that again here. And that's it. That's all. So now I'm going to press save changes and make a commit, added barcodes. We're going to regenerate these sequences. Now we can download them and take a look. So we have 3 templates. Template 1, only 1 sequence. Template 2, 100. So let's look at these. I'm going to click on 1 and press spacebar and use the arrow keys on my keyboard to toggle between the sequence files. And so right here we see as I toggle through the files, this sequence is changing, and that's the barcode element. These are the DNA barcodes. You see they're changing, and over here where my cursor is now, you see the codons are changing as I toggle through the files. Right. So in this project, all of these sequences have their own DNA barcodes. They all have different DNA barcodes. So there's no sequence in these templates that have the same barcodes. The barcodes are not duplicated. Okay. Now let's go back to the project design. And some of you may have saw me add this DNA barcode element, and you're like, dude, you can't just add a DNA barcode next to the Herceptin coding region if you're using a phagement vector. And you would be correct. So, you know, designing and placing DNA barcodes is not trivial. And there's 2 goals I like to keep in mind when I decide where to place a DNA barcode element. And that's 1, place the element at a location that minimizes the effect on transcription and other biological processes. And 2, place the DNA barcode element at a location that minimizes the length of the entire design and therefore the synthetic DNA, and that's for practical reasons like cost. So if you want to see more realistic designs using barcodes for SCFV or FAB designs using phage display, please see Sample Project 5, Sample Project 7, or Sample Project 8. And I'm out.